Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of CoinSutra, and today you are going to get $90 for free. Yeah, I know it sounds exciting because it is. Now this $90 you can use for the trading, and I'm actually going to claim this $90 bonus and show you how it works. All right. So this one is brought to you by Bybit, which is one of the very popular derivative exchange. And to welcome the new user, they are offering a welcome trading bonus of $90. Now, to take advantage of this offer, the very first thing you need to do is you need to go and sign up for an account. I will leave the link of Bybit in the description where you can sign up for the account with my referral code. And now once you're signed up, click on promotion, click on rewards hub, make sure that you're logged in. Then you have to complete this few offer, like you have to join them on social media, you have to make initial deposit to start trading, you have to become an active trader, and you need to, when you do the total deposit of 1 BTC. So these are some of the things that you need to do in order to claim this reward. Now, by the way, Bybit is one of the top exchanges for margin trading, and they're adding a lot of new features. And if you are somebody who's using BitMEX or any other margin trading platform, you're going to love Bybit. We have a detailed review coming soon, but let's claim the first $5 and then let's move ahead. So very first thing you need to do is you need to create an account on Bybit. You can find the link in the description or somewhere around the video. Now, once you're on this page, just click on claim now. All right, then click my bonus here. All right, so here is what we need to do. We need to, all right, so I am following them already. So what I'll do, I'll just simply fill up this form. Yes, I've followed the profile. Please provide your Bybit UID. Now I need to add my UID, so I think I should be able to. So you can go to account and security, and there you will find the UID. Now once you have it, just simply go here, provide your UID here. I'm actually masking it just for the security reason. All right, so next thing is we need to retweet. So let's go to Bybit profile. There is a pinned tweet. Retweet with comment. All right, then let's click on retweet. Now click on view, and this is my retweet. So I just need to copy this, go back here, paste that link. CoinSutra. All right, and then click on submit. So there you go, like I've submitted for 5 USD. Now let's close this. So it will take 2 to 3 days for this amount to show up in my account. Then try our take profit stop loss when placing your entry order, and I think I've done that. Yeah, so I've actually already done that. So now this $5 has been added to my account. Now this first deposit, I need to do that, $50. Okay. Then customer satisfaction 3 minutes. Again, it should be easy. I'll leave that for you to do that. Total deposit of 1 BTC. This will happen over time. And then actively trading for 10 days. I'm actively trading for the 3rd day, so it will take a little time. Now, there are a few things that you need to know is that this bonus, that $90 can be used only as a trading margin but cannot be withdrawn. And bonus must be activated by trading activity within 21 days after receiving the bonus, after which it will be fortified. Once activated, it will not expire anymore, which is a pretty great news. The coupon can only be used as transaction fees and cannot be withdrawn. So it's all standard practice. Please do read this. But here is the thing. I think it's a great time for you to just grab this $90 option. If you have not signed up for Bybit, use the referral link around the video or in the description. Create an account, go to this promotion and rewards hub, and then claim all these prizes and enjoy $90 as free. More than that, Bybit is actually one of the very good exchange. It does not require any KYC. Unfortunately, if you are from US or sanctioned country, you're not allowed to sign up. But apart from that, every other country can sign up. Do remember, margin trading is riskier than the spot trading. It is more rewarding as well, but at the same time, it's also risky. So make sure you understand the risk management, risk and reward ratio to make most out of it. Now, at the same time, continue watching our channel to get more such deals, discount and offers. And do check out CoinSutra for the detailed review of Bybit that will be published very soon. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh from CoinSutra.